Hi there, Serial Trader here. Just do a quick check-in with weed. Of course, it's just trading right now, but just thought I'd do a little update. So we've had a very strong move up since our bullish engulfing. We had huge follow through the following day, and then it looks like we did a doji star yesterday. Made new highs. Did a doji star yesterday in the overbought condition. You see RSI here has gone over the overbought line on the daily RSI. And whenever you have a doji star in the overbought condition after such an extreme move, it would be very typical to have some sort of corrective pullback at the minimum, which it appears we're underway doing today. So I'm going to tentatively label that we have a wave 3 peak in place there, and we smashed through all these Fibonacci extensions, including the 2.618 relationship between 1 and 2. So it was a very strong third wave up, no doubt about it. But I'll delete those now since we've gone right through them all. And we also have a gap up here and a gap up here. So a double gap up, extremely strong. Very indicative of a third wave with good volume. And obviously we smashed through the all-time high. We also got through the deal price, okay? The deal price is $48.60, and that's the deal price that Constellation Brands is buying a large number of shares at. So the fact that we did that all so quickly, and we got so extended and overbought with RSI, which, if you look back, RSI being overbought on this daily chart has definitely marked some pretty good peaks. Okay, maybe not to the day, but it certainly indicates, well, closer to a peak than a trough, essentially. So because of that, yesterday I sold out my position. Certainly didn't hit the high of the day, but it got out somewhere in the real body. I think as far as weed goes, it was in the high 50s or low 51s. Of course, we got as high as 52.48, and on CGC, I believe it was in the 38, so I got out at. So certainly nothing wrong with that. And now, if the third wave is in place, I would be expecting some sort of fourth wave pullback, okay? And just to throw up some fib levels to potentially be looking for. So if we do a fib retracement of the entirety of wave 3, I'll just put a few levels up there. We have the very shallow retracement of the 236, that'd be 47.65 on weed. We have the more common retracement level, which would be around 44.66. And also we have the 50% retracement, which is acceptable, but getting a little deep for a fourth wave. But as long as we don't overlap with this wave 1, we can certainly still consider it to be a fourth wave. And I doubt that, because overlapping with wave 1 would come down to 37.67. So likely have a shallower retracement than that. And I mean, we're way above the T line at this point. And it just looks a little overheated short term. So perfectly reasonable to have some corrective action here. So what I'm looking for is once we have some sort of corrective looking decline that looks complete, just looking again for our standard ABC. Now it could, you could form a wave 4 triangle, you could form a flat. In this case, you could just form a zigzag, as I've kind of tentatively shown here. But the point is just look for some sort of correction, and then wait for it to kind of settle, maybe even start coming back up, and then consider re-entering another long position to catch this potential fifth wave up, right? So that's what I'm seeing for now on weed. Certainly a fantastic trade. Riding it from way down here up to new all-time highs just in a matter of days. So I was quite happy with that. But now it's the time to kind of just wait to reload again. No need to rush back in, because after that doji star in the overbought condition, and now with our lower trading today, it looks very likely we do have some sort of top in place, and that we're going to have some consolidation here. All right. That should be good for now. Serial Trader signing off.